Okay, it's 3 o'clock. We're on.
Remember in the older days they had the videos you take a parent and they said, okay, do something funny. Say something funny. All right, do something. Hey, you do something. Where's the door? No, it's not over there.
Sandy.
Sandy! Where's Sandy? Come here, girl. There she is. You're a good girl. Smile. Do something funny. Speak. Want to go on the leash? No. You're not going on the leash. No, you already went in the car. You already went in the car. No. No. Come here. Come here. Dad, go ring the doorbell. Go ring the doorbell. Watch. No. You a good girl? Uh-oh. Do it again. Do it again. Come here, Sandy. Come here. Go tell my mom. She runs and tells my mom.
Okay. I should do that. It actually looks smooth, so I look.